Welcome to Naath Global News, bringing you top headlines from South Sudan and Sudan. Here are the main stories this week. South Sudan Kiir's frequent visits to United Arab Emirates. President Salva Kiir Mayardit is again in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Observers note that each time he travels there, he tends to stay longer than usual, sometimes for a full week, sparking talk that he might even own property there. Lake State attack 7 killed in Yirol East. In Lake State, armed men suspected to have crossed from Panyijiar County in Unity State attacked the Pakhou fishing site in Yirol East County, killing 7 people and wounding 5 others on Wednesday night. The acting information minister, William Koji Kerchak, said security forces are pursuing the attackers, calling on Unity State to stop its youth from crossing borders to commit crimes. Civil society activist Daniel Latkan condemned the killings and urged both state governments to prevent further bloodshed. Sudan RSF chief admits abuses in Fasher. In neighboring Sudan, RSF commander General Mohamed Hamdan Dagalo Hemeti has publicly admitted that his forces committed abuses during the recent capture of Fasher in North Darfur. Dagalo announced that investigation committees have been formed to identify and punish soldiers involved in crimes.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله.
He said the trials would be public and immediate and ordered his forces to withdraw from residential areas once stability is restored. Dagalo also appealed for humanitarian aid and called on displaced people to return home, promising safety and assistance. Meanwhile, he revealed that secret talks between the RSF and the Sudanese army have been taking place and repeated his demand for a civilian-led government and a new national army to end military rule in Sudan. This is Naath Global News, bringing you trusted updates from Sudan and South Sudan. For more stories, subscribe, like, and share. Stay informed and stay connected.